This will make me feel some type of way about myself. I'm myself a type at the end of the week and everything, but like, what the right length? Like, I think I understand. A long time I put on the coming up, you know, Jesus Christ, that's well me head. The girl is trying to lick me right now, you know. The girl is to fight me. So come.
I'm gonna proceed to applying the wig first. You know the drill already. She's so excited for the glam today, guys. So excited. She's like, them idiot clock away and do me. You want me to chat them off? So I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying this. As I said before, I'm going to put all the information on this wig down below for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and check it out.
Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know what I should go. Don't wanna let you down. You just wanna.
When you cut my ear, that me I tell you, cause hey,
Your ear is not even out. You're just being extra.
my ear is somewhere right now. Listen.
Sure.
I have on a wig and my hair is not curling on it. You don't understand how happy I am right now.
It for today's video.
Yeah, I'm mad.
Want to give her some baby hair action, so I'm gonna do this little hack I saw on Instagram. Somebody actually forwarded it to me and it looks so easy. That's the method I use for this baby hair action I got going on. So it's kind of like just parting out little triangles. You can tweeze within those triangles as you go along, and it looks really nice. Like,
How far I will go, cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you. I wanna find you.
so this girl started acting like her mother in front of me. She was just bucking.
I was not. Stop.
You are no, you. Oh my god!
Tapping.
Oh my god! You are your mother's child. The girl woke up in the middle of a book.
Tapping for
In the middle of a book. But no one to see her eye.
I don't want to believe.
So may I leave you?
And
This is how I'm leaving you.
I know my cute same way, period. So then I could comfort her, enjoy the little of it, and just the aura of being here in your presence,
Shut up.
calming my spirit,
Oh my.
putting me in a higher state of concentration. That my eyes closed for a second, but I wasn't sleeping. I was just meditating on how good this hairstyle will look. So there you have it. I wasn't sleeping.
This is the reason why this girl can't give you no video. She ever sleep.
What does that have to do with it?
No man tell them pan you.
That have to do with nothing though.
Lies.
And 1 week ago, I'm really just never had the mood for last week. Forgive my video. Every other week, my cousin say, you see, I wake up now. My cousin say every other week.
People are the truth now.
It's not the truth.
You feel some type of way now.
I was just not in it last week.
So guys, we're going for a center part today. not enough parting space on the sides, so I'm gonna do a center part, and I want to lay it really flat, you know, because we trying to make it look like scalp. So I usually just go section by section to apply the wax, and then apply that heat from the hot comb to get it really laid.
Alone inside a crowd, 'cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know where I should go. No, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
See this now? This will make me feel some type of way about myself. I got yourself a type at the end of the week and everything, but like, what the right length? Like, I think I understand.
You see this girl, right?
I think I understand. 1 pound of flour and 3 pounds of rice and pizza butter. The whole time I run go shop.
Guys, this hair is looking so nice.
Guys, more want to comment down below and tell Swan she must give me this headband.
I'm just gonna refresh these beautiful, gorgeous waves. Okay. Remember when that used to be my intro song?
Alone inside a crowd, 'cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know where I should go. No, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
Cherry lips with a nice skin up shape. Rad.
always do that. You know, to me and spray this something. And you're gonna name this something.
You see me and yam nothing? Like, oh, she. Minanoir.
What's your name?
I don't know her. Minanoir. I don't even recognize her. She cute or whatever. She mad cute. Okay, I'm gonna put her in the Jesus Christ.
Yeah,
That's well made. Back to father.
It's time to calm it down. Yes, guys, so I did a very natural glam on her. That's what she wanted, and now she don't know how to act. Just something simple. Okay. You guys know the focus is the hair, and we are loving it. How do you feel?
Comb out my locks. That's what she needs to do.
Yes,
So soft. She feeling like Pocahontas right now, okay? Oh my gosh. It's really, really nice, guys. This is a soft hair. I show hair on a go on with herself. And to know she only like put her real hair in a ponytail. We did not braid up her hair. It's the first time we ever did that. And look at it. It's looking real good. It's looking real good. You never know. Yes. Talk to them. You can't tell. You say nice girl go. I'm all done with this installation. This is some bomb body wave hair. Give them the looks. Give them the looks. Yes. What kind of looks then? I really was feeling the whole baby hair vibe today, so that's what we did, as you can see, with a nice neutral beat. You know, this is the quarantine and get glam vibes. You need to go ahead and check her out at
Divinity Dimples on YouTube and 806 Dimples. What was that? Divinity Dimples. 806 Dimples + Z on Instagram. I upload once a week. I promise. I'm consistent. So don't listen to me. No, it's so nasty.